Today I'm trying my new Dyson HairDryer. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna try my new hair dryer, Dyson HairDryer. It's been a while that I was trying to obtain this new hair dryer, and today I'm gonna try it for the first time. No, actually for the second time. I tried these two heads before because, you know, that's their main selling point. That's what they're trying to advertise everywhere on their box, or YouTube, Instagram, you name it, on their own website. So this is very exciting. So I tried this one first, but obviously there is lots of videos right now on YouTube with these heads. But today I wanna try the actual normal head, and it's supposed to be for styling and removing antifreeze. Please guys, stay with me. Hello again. I'm very glad that today I'm gonna share with you my experience with testing Dyson. I actually planning to buy this item, I would say almost a year ago, and I always waited when it's going to be available on discount at Sephora, and on the last sale that was just finished, obviously recent, or it's still on, not sure, I have to double check. I purchased this item and it was 20% off. They have several different options. I purchased the one that is less expensive from all of them, and I purchased obviously the most celebrated and everybody talked about it, this kind of like curling iron, when you can style and like dry and curl your hair at the same time. But that's not the ones that I want to test today, because there is lots of videos about this product, I mean about these specific heads. But I just want to show or try how it's actually going to be working if I'm gonna just simply style and blow dry my hair. So like most likely you all know, it comes in this very sturdy box, and the quality is undeniable. It's done it very well. Then it's covers like that, and obviously inside I already removed it. There was an actual unit, actual fan, and then you have these two extra heads. In my case I have only two because I have cheaper version of this Dyson. And then I have the styling brush, I have the lifting like, you know, root brush if you need a little bit more volume, and then just a regular one if you want to style with the regular brush. So today I'm gonna use this one just for the, it's supposed to be for styling and smoothing hair, protecting like, or removing the frizz. So let's see how it's gonna work out, and hopefully it will work out nicely on me. So what you can do over here, you can control temperature. So I'm gonna put on the medium setting, so it's not too hot, not too cold, and obviously you can control the speed of the air, and it's on and off. So I'm putting this specific brush, and it's locked securely. Just as a set of information, my hair fairly long. That's how my hair naturally look like. I'm right now right after the shower. They're not completely wet out of the shower, but there is lots of moisture, and if I'm touching my roots, they're completely wet. And that's what I'm trying to do right now, just do normal hairstyle. We will see how long it's gonna take me. Obviously if I'm gonna need to speed up some of the process, I will speed up, but at the end I will tell you exactly when I started and when I am finished. So I started my timer. Right now it's on 20 minutes. And let's see if I could style my hair in less than 20 minutes from the pretty much wet to dry and fully styled. So I'm gonna brush my hair, and I'm not gonna even take the small section. I will try to take medium sections and see how this blow dry will perform. So I'm gonna clip obviously the top of my hair, and I'm gonna use it the bottom one right now. So that's how much I have right now, and so let's start. See, so that's how it's the sound, and this is on the maximum. This is on the lowest one, and this is the medium. So I need actually several passes to make the one strand of hair fairly dry. So shall we continue? So do my hair look like unfreezed? Not really very much, but given the credit for this fan, I have to say that I just once again came back from the vacation, and the sun is brutal over there, and obviously Caribbean, and my hair feels very fried right now, so I need properly take care of my hair. Maybe do some kind of, like, you know, healthy mask or something, or maybe even cutting this off. Like you can see how they're fairly dried up by the ends of the hair. So anyway, this is the last one, and it's pretty much, you know, I'm taking the huge chunk of hair. So this is pretty much just styling and drying without any product in the hair except my shampoo and conditioner. And you can see that they somewhat still look frizzy. So obviously I need some kind of top product to remove the frizz of my hair. But I will continue all the way to the end to make it completely dry, and we will see. I would say they're pretty much dry, maybe just deep inside my roots, little bit of dampness in the hair. This head supposedly remove any frizz, so it's anti-frizz head and make the hair shiny and sleek. Does it really work? Not really. Like, I mean, it does somewhat style the hair. Is it remove the frizz without an additional anti-frizz product? No. I think Dyson's, and by the way, it took me about 10 minutes to finish my hair, so it's really good timing. The timing is quite nice, but I would say they were very smart doing advertisement of actual these two heads versus any other heads, because this is really revolutionary. And I tried this one before. I didn't take the video because there is lots of videos on the YouTube, but I tried this like, you know, heads before, just to do kind of curling and drying at the same time. Yes, with these heads, when it's completely from the wet to dry, they kind of like really nice curly hairs, but they're not like thick and strong curls. They kind of more relaxed wavy hair, and they were like somewhat shiny and doesn't show any frizz. When it comes to this specific head, it's supposed to be anti-frizz, sleek and shine, not really. So right now I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-frizz product and run over the head once again and see if it's really working. So I'm gonna use Wow. I quite often use this product. I like this product so very much. So I'm gonna run a little bit of this product all over my hair. Just this much, and just kind of the top to remove frizz, and then I'm gonna use once again the Dyson anti-frizz head to see if it actually helps with that anti-frizz. So now I have plenty of product on my hair, and let's see if it's gonna help. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go all over my hair, hoping that with antifreeze product they become a little bit more sleek and shiny and less frizzy. So now that's how my hair look like with some antifreeze product. Yes, it's definitely helped. It's helped a lot, but you still see some little bit of frizziness in my hair. But I mean, my hair is colored, damaged, all possible things happening to my hair, and now it's a sun damaged and everything. So let me just apply a little bit of Chi to my hair. This is as a finishing product. Just a little bit like that, just one drop, and I'm gonna run my fingers through my hair, just hopefully to give that final finishing touch. This is the nice hair dryer for sure. What I like about it, let me just start with the pro, obviously. What I like about that they use more gentle temperatures. I like that they have several settings for the temperatures. I like that they have several settings for the actual airflow. I like that they have several heads, so obviously I can use different heads for different hairstyling. So this is supposed to be one and all. You don't need curling iron, you don't need flat iron, you don't need hair dryer, etc., etc. Would I say that this is an absolutely fantastic product for the money, you know, price versus quality? I think they're a little bit overpriced in my very, very humble opinion. But do I like overall this product? Definitely I do, and I'm glad that I actually got it on 20% off, because you know, for the full price, even with the 20% off, it's still an obscene amount of money for such a product. But I'm really glad that I have it right now in my possession, because my old hair dryer already had better days and I really needed to substitute my old hair dryer for the new one. I like it that it's fairly light. I like it that it's very easy to change the heads. You're kind of just pressing on this button and popping the heads, and when they're once again in place, they're fairly secured. It's not the thick, because sometimes the hair dryer, they're fairly thick, so it's difficult to hold in in your hand. So this is very easy to hold. So overall, it's very nice product. The cons. First con, I would say, and it's obvious, and extremely expensive. The second con, it's only work with 120. So
as I've already mentioned, the second negative point about the Dyson hair dryer is that it works only with 120 voltage. Say if you're traveling to Europe or any other distant places when they use 240, pretty much this unit will not work. And I would say for the amount of money that you're paying, it should be options switching between 120 and 240. The other somewhat negative as well, I would say that the actual packaging, the box, quite large and really heavy, so it's not very, very practical for traveling once again. So say if you're gonna travel somewhere, it's first and most, it's gonna take an obscene amount of space in your luggage. This is the first, and then the second, once again, it's very, very heavy, so obviously it's gonna cost you some money to travel with this unit. So that's about only negative. Otherwise, it's fantastic hair dryer. I like it so very much. Hopefully I'm gonna get lots of usage out of this product, because for me it's very important that the hair dryer is not actually drying up my hair, and they are using very, very gentle temperatures for hair drying. Thank you very much, guys, for being today with me. I hope that you like this video. If you have any comments, questions, do not hesitate. Put all your questions and comments in the comment section below. And I hope to see you again on my channel. And I guess until our next meeting. Bye bye.